Today we're checking out this telescoping laser level pole from DOVOH, one of my favorite tool companies. As you can see, since I already have the 360-degree laser level up there, this pole extends up to 12 feet tall, so you can ensure you're getting accurate levels across your entire project, no matter how tall. Setup is super easy. It comes with this nice carrying case. All you'll do is extend the legs to the height that you need, put the bottom pole in through the bottom like so, twist it to tighten it, and you're ready to add the attachment. You'll simply add the laser level holder over the pole as such, clamp it down, and then you're ready to add whatever tool you need. It comes with a 1/4 inch and 5/8 inch thread. You can use just about any other product or tool that camera, laser level that fits. A lot of these tools and products have universal threads, so while this is for a laser level, you can actually use it for anything. Once it twists on, you'll simply tighten it down so that it doesn't twist on you, and then that's it. You're pretty much all set up. If you want to add height to it, then all you'll do is screw in the extension rods, unclamp the holder, and then slide it up to exactly where you need. It has measurements directly on the pole, which make it incredibly easy and user-friendly. It comes with a bubble level attached to the stand, so you can ensure your stand is set accurately. It has a foot pedal to allow you to lower the pole in order to wedge it tightly between the ceiling and the floor. Really useful if you need to use it for a heavier object or a tool. It comes with a flat magnetic back that allows you to attach it to any metal surface without the stand, and the stand swivels vertically, allowing you to make micro adjustments a full 360 degrees. You can also make micro adjustments horizontally with this knob here. Another awesome feature are these clamps that allow you to secure it to a piece of metal or wood or really any flat surface. And this knob goes on top to allow you to securely wedge the top of this pole to the ceiling, again, if you so choose. Setup and breakdown is incredibly easy. As I mentioned earlier, it comes with this carrying case and everything has a slot or a pocket, which makes it nice and organized as well as travel ready. But overall, this is an incredible pole. Tons of stability at tall heights. It's perfect for your business, warehouse, second story, office, exterior projects, or whatever. And again, it has a 1/4 inch and 5/8 inch thread, so you can attach pretty much any universal items like cameras, laser levels, receivers, or whatever. And I've had a number of DOVOH products before, and they're incredibly good quality. The stand, I think, this one is aluminum alloy, while the poles are a durable metal, if I were to guess. But in any event, if you're in the market for something like this, give it a shot, as well as the other DOVOH laser level products. I highly recommend them. I don't think you'll go wrong. And as always, reach out with any questions or concerns, and have a great day.